This is my render settings release. First up, we got our sources. We got display capture. I don't know, I just use it. We got our mic. Yeah, pretty cool. Then we got desktop audio. I just turned that down a little so it's just not like super loud. Let's move on to the settings. First off, we have output. Streaming is just NVIDIA NVENC, no. And for streaming services, service encoder settings on. Then CBR, rate control is CBR, bitrate is 4500. Then keyframe interval is 2. Then max performance, profile high. Look ahead and cycle visual tuning off. Then GPU and max B frames are at 0. And recording, we have type standard. Then recording path, just use C drive, it's better. Encoder, NVIDIA NVENC. Yeah, use the new one. It's better. CQP 23. Keyframe interval is 0. Preset max performance. Profile high. Look ahead and cycle visual tuning off. And then these are 0. And for video we have like 19. This is 1080p. Then downscale filter is bilinear. Then fractional FPS value. We have fractional FPS value. And we have 180. Yeah, use a multiple of 60 for your FPS. Like, so if you're like in VIC, like if you render it as 60, it'll look better. General settings, we have just default. What the? Yeah, for general settings, we have just default. Stream, just, yeah. Audio, sample rate, 48, I don't know, kilohertz. That's just mine. Yours is probably like 44. Channel stereo. Then just desktop audio, I just have one. It's speakers. Yeah. It's not actually speakers, but it's just my headphones. This is all default down here. Advanced, we have process priority below normal. Renderer, Direct 3D 11, color format NV12, color space 709 or RG, color space sRGB, color range partial, and rest of this is just default. And hit apply and OK. Then you're all set for OBS. Moving on to Vegas, we have a project property. So let's go to File, Properties. We have this is 60. I don't know why, but like, yeah. Then we have Pixel Aspect Ratio 1. Then we have Stereoscopic 3D Mode off. Then Pixel Format 8-bit. For rendering quality, put that on best. For motion blur type, put it on box. Deinterlace method, put it on none. And resample mode, smart resample. This is very important for motion blur. Smart resample is. And adjust source media, hit OK. then I have a test video. So you're gonna hit import video, then go to the video that you recorded, or like any video, just drag it in. So edit your video, just add a few cuts, bam, make a fade, I don't know. Then once you're done, you're gonna like select it like this with the yellow thing at the top, and just like select it. Then it's selected, go to File, Render As, so you can actually like have the edited video. So once you're here, you can go to Magic AVC AAC MP4. Then I have this called Best. Then if I customize template, it's NVIDIA NVINC. So you do just whatever quality your video's in, you can do this, or you can do custom frame size. You can just, have that. The frame rate 60, profile high, allow source to adjust frame rate, field order, non-progressive scan, pixel aspect ratio 1, then this is log, variable bitrate, then put 240 million, and then copy that and put it in the average, so it's a constant bit number of slices. I don't know, it's default. Encode mode, NV encoder. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, NV encoder is super good. It's faster. Preset default. I just have it on default. RC mode VBR. Audio settings, sample rate is, I just put it on whatever your sample rate is. Mine, I think it's 48,000. Like, so your sample rate on OBS. Bitrate, just put it on 384,000. Project settings, video rendering quality, put it on best for best performance. Stereoscopic 3D mode, use project settings. Then the color space, you want to put it on sRGB. So yeah, that would make it look better. And it's gonna be the same in your OBS, put it on sRGB. And so once you're done with those, you just select it and title it whatever you want, just go, or just test video. And you just render it. Once you're done rendering the video, you can hit open, and this is your video. You have it.